Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Alright, so I want to say this for my new subscribers. From time to time I like to do a completely random video. It's not always about sneakers on the channel. I actually did a food video a long time ago and I said why not do it again. I will point out that I'm not a chef or a cook, but I do think that everyone can do a dish if the recipe is followed. And of course, if you like what you do. So I'm into salads now, and this is extremely easy to make, very delicious and healthy, but of course it depends on what you put in it. So let's see what I got here. Romaine, tomatoes, cucumbers, a pepper, radishes, green onion, a grilled chicken breast, bacon, and hard cheese. You'll need a few pinches of salt, maybe pepper, and sunflower oil. Of course, you can use olive oil or all kinds of flavored expensive oils, but you can still do this with whatever you have in the kitchen. And you can mix and match this however you want. You can add or remove stuff. For example, I used to add black olives, but then the salad was a bit too salty. I used to add corn, but I kept on chasing it in the bowl. You can add steak or grilled sausages instead of chicken. You can add baked or steamed potatoes instead of meat and cheese and make this completely vegetarian. You can add kale instead of romaine, or you can add both. This is also great with a fried or hard-boiled egg mixed in. Personally, now I like extra romaine, cucumbers and radishes. But as you can see, there's unlimited versions. So, after washing the veggies and let them dry a bit, you just need to dice them, like this. After doing many salads, I've noticed that it's better to do big chunks, again to avoid chasing stuff in the bowl. Now it's just a matter of chucking everything in a big bowl, season however you want and mix well. Make sure you get a bigger bowl or one with a lid. And there you go, look how nice this is, but more importantly, it's healthy and easy to make. So I'm gonna stuff my face now. Let me know what do you think, what do you add in your salad, what else would you like me to prepare next, and thank you for watching.